How to restrict group chat in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no option as of right now to restrict group chats in the Messenger app. As you can see, there's only the options to delete, archive, leave the group, or mute notifications, etc. But luckily, there's an easy workaround which we can use, which will allow us to get the job done. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then log into your Facebook account. And once you're here, click on the Messenger icon at the top right of the screen. It might redirect you to the Messenger app. If it does, just go back to this page right here and then click on the group chat that you want to restrict. And on top of the group chat, the top right, you will see an icon as an arrow coming out of a box. Click on it. It will give you a list of options and actions that you can choose from. And midway down the screen, you can see it says ignore messages. So click on it. If you, as you might know, ignoring was the old restricting option, but Messenger has made an update and turned this ignoring option to the restriction option. So even if it's not available in the app, it's still available in the browser, and it does the same job, which is restricting or ignoring, whatever. So as you can see, you will be redirected to this page right here, which is a confirmation page. They ask you, are you sure you want to ignore this group? And they explain to you what will happen. You won't be notified when someone messages this group, and the group will be moved to spam, and they won't tell anyone in the group that the messages has been ignored by you. So if you're okay with that, click on ignore messages, and let's go back to confirm. Let us refresh this page right here and go to the Messenger, and as you can see, the messages or that group chat has been ignored and restricted. So that was it for this video. That's how you can ignore and restrict any group chat in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.